So I've been on your website, I've seen all this cool stuff, I really like what you guys are doing and I'd love to buy a machine right now. What do you do? Well, the best thing to do really is either visit our web shop on the link below. You'll be able to just take yourself straight there to be able to order as many rigs as you like for delivery. Of course, you can choose collection if you'd like to come and see us, and we can give you an in-person tech walkthrough and set up all your accounts before you even leave the offices. Alternatively, if you so wish, we'd love to invite you to come and see us in person at the offices as well. If that's possible for you from different countries, we appreciate it may not be. But anyone that wants to come and see us, meet us in person, have a discussion about how things work for them, please give us a call and book a consultation with us. We'd love to see you in person. So dependent upon if you'd like to see us, if you want to just order them and get them delivered, whichever step next you'd like to take, just either do the relevant thing between ordering from the shop online or giving us a call and booking an appointment. Either way, we can move you forward to the next step and help you start your crypto hunter journey.